everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. So I have a couple of items right here. I am going to unbox this little beauty right here, as well as reveal the item. It is actually a part of my wish list. I have been doing a lot of research for it in such a long time. It is on my wish list for such a long time, and I mean, I was really surprised. I was astonished that eventually I found that Hermes item on a Japan website. So I was just so thrilled and so excited to share this with you guys. But anyway, let me start with this item right here. And maybe you guys already know what it is because of the packaging. And okay, I was at the Hermes store and I was looking around for, shopping for some presents, and for some reason this particular twilly caught my attention. So let me reveal. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is the twilly, and I totally love the detail of it. So let me give you a closer look of the detail right here. Right there. So yeah, this one pretty much more, it is reversible right here. It has almost like similar design. The same pattern though. Wow, I love the color combination of these. And I have checked it on the website. This particular color combination it's not available for some reason. They have other colors, they have other color combination, more likely in red color, brighter colors, and they are pretty much available. But this one, it is not. So anyway, this one is priced as $195 US before tax, and 100% silk, obviously. And okay, here's the product information if you guys are interested in getting this. So it says right here, it made in France. And okay, this is the name of the product. I think this is the product code. I'm not sure if this one right here or this one, or you could just scan this code right here. I'm not sure if that would work. Okay, so it is a twilly. It is a couverture etenu. And this is the color. Okay, this is the color combination. Blanc blue right here. So this is a couverture etenu twilly right here. Wow, so beautiful. I can't get over it how beautiful this is. I was gonna get a couple of these, but I'm not really sure. I mean, they only have one at the store. I'm not sure if they still have it, if I wanted to order another one. So basically, I'm just using this as a bag charm or wrap the handle off my purse. But I really thought that this is such a beautiful pattern, and the lovely color right there, it is absolutely stunning. So this is the first item. Moving on to the next item. This one, oh, I am so excited for the next item. Okay, so this one was wrapped like this, and it came from Japan. And I was like checking the website. I've checked eBay Japan, and oh my gosh, I found this beautiful, lovely purse in such a great condition. The perfect hardware, color combination, the perfect combination between the color, the stitching. I think this one is gorgeous. And on top of that, the price is pretty reasonable. So anyway, let me reveal. Well, they wrap it like this with all this bubble wrap and everything, but the box that came with this is huge. So here comes, oh my gosh, to reveal my Hermes Evelyn. Wow. Oh my gosh. I have been looking for this particular piece for several years, I must say. I've spoke to my essay, but I didn't even get a chance to, shouldn't even call back or whatever, with this type of leather, the color, the metal, and the contrasting stitching. This is exactly what I am looking for an Evelyn. As you guys can see, this one is made up of an Epsom leather. So let me just take this strap at the back. It is made up of an Epsom leather, and I believe this is the first generation on a size GM. So this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. The leather feels so good. And the reason why I chose Epsom over any other leather, usually, I mean, I already have a Clemence leather, the Turilon Clemence leather. And I find it a little bit too, how do you call that? Too slouchy. And sometimes when I put stuff inside, it's showing a little bit of the outline of your stuff and everything. But I'm not really too crazy about the Clemence leather as the time goes by, because it gets really soft and supple. I mean, I love the leather. It's so rich with the Clemence leather. But for some reason, for this particular type of bag, I love it with the Epsom leather. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. And surprisingly, she is 20 years old. And look at that. Look at the structure. It's still beautiful being a 20-year-old bag. And wow. So let's talk about the feature of this beauty right here. So this purse shows, though, as you guys could see, like, oh, hold on. Oh, I was trying to figure out what this inside. I mean, this one is actually has this Hermes H logo right here. It is, yeah, it's perforated. I was like, oh, I mean, yeah, this is the stuffing inside. That's what it's showing, those white stuffing inside. I was wondering what that is. Why is it like, I mean, this one is not lined. However, it's just showing those something inside, but it is the stuffing. And I kind of like that look though. Maybe I would put some white cover right here so that you could, so that it would emphasize the H logo. Wow, it's so beautiful. So this one has a beautiful contrasting stitching right here. So the stitching is right here in this color white. So the color of the entire purse is in gold color. Well, that's how they call it in Hermes. A brown color, that's gold, so that is the color code. But yes, it is stunningly beautiful. Wow. So this the contrasting stitching is, oh wow, definitely my weakness on this craftsmanship. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Wow. I mean, the leather has structure though, I must say. Right here at the bottom. Though what I've noticed right now, it is a little, it's actually showing something like this one is bulging out. So even with this one, it's actually, yeah, it's actually bulging out for some reason, but you could literally feel that this one is made of a really luxurious leather, guys. Wow, I am totally blown away with its beautiful craftsmanship. This one has a gold hardware right here. So what I have noticed right away, that the gold hardware, for being 20 years old, imagine, I mean, it would have shown a lot more scratches. But right now, my ring light is so bright and I could not, I mean, there's not much of like distinctive scratches though. I'm not sure if the previous owner of these actually have changed it over the years, but the hardware is so shiny and it looks like it feels sturdy. And the plating, I didn't see any wear at all, like chipping. Wow, it is so beautiful. I can't believe it. So it came in with a strap right here. It does seem to me, it looks like the strap is a little bit shorter than I anticipated. This is not adjustable. And this is the detail of it. This one would swivel. Very nice. And on this side, it actually shows it is plain. There is no pocket on the outside. So I think the pocket on the outside, I think that was in a generation 2, the second generation one. So this is the first gen. And then this is the closure. It's so beautiful. Obviously, I got the one that is, okay, I got the one that's made in France. And let me remove the stuffing right here. Okay, there is a lot of stuffing inside. Okay, so let me just leave the others inside. So this one has, oh my gosh, look at the interior. So the interior is actually made up, this one is raw. Yeah, the lining, there's no lining on this. This is actually the other side of the leather. So there is no lining on the Evelyn. And it does seem to feel like it is like suede material. Very nice. I have checked the interior of these before they ship it to me, and there's a little bit of pen marks inside, but it's 20 years old. What do I expect? It would definitely gonna show wear though. So this is this side would look, and the other than, okay, this one right here on the side. So let's just talk about some wear on this beauty right here. I think majority of the Evelyn, it shows a lot of wear in this corner, but it is more of like a scuff though. I mean, around the edges on the corner, and also on this side as well. Right here, it's not like there is a lot right here, and also no, not so much in this corner. So I had a feeling that she is actually wearing it on this side, maybe this part of the corner rub against her body or something like that. Probably that is the reasons why it has those scuff, but it's not like there's no such ripping in here. It's just a scuff. So I was thinking of taking it to the Hermes, and maybe they could try to, I don't know though. I have a little bit of like, I mean, this is vintage, and I just really wanted to keep it like this, as long as there's no rips on the leather. That was just my major concern when I purchased this, and it took me a while because I've seen this online, and the price are ridiculously so expensive, especially with this color, with the stitching, and some of those are, the condition isn't that great. They were staying outside, and it was an awful condition, and they're still selling it for $2,200 or $2,500. I paid overall, I mean, I've actually paid the price for the item. I also paid the import duty, which is actually 20% on its item value. And also I've paid a duty tax receiver. I don't know what that means, but for some reason, plus tax as well. So I end up paying almost $1,600 with everything. So it's not too bad after all. Really, it's not too bad after all compared to the prices here in the US. And definitely love it. And so far I was thinking of getting the size PM, but for some reason the size PM are actually priced a lot more. And majority of those leather that I have seen are made up of Clemence leather. So, but I prefer to get my Evelyn on the Epsom leather. And I think there's no stuffing inside. I mean, this is just the bag itself. It stands on its own. Just like that. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So anyway, this is definitely my perfect gift for myself. Well, I know my husband actually gave me some money last Christmas. Even before Christmas, he actually sent me the money, and so I could buy the gift that I wanted for myself. So I end up like purchasing this one. I also got the Louis Vuitton as well, and that would be in my next unboxing as well. So wow, this one is beautiful. And I think with the twilly right here, I think this is a perfect combination. I'm not sure how I am going to style this, but look at this right now. I think the twilly is gorgeous. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.